are my Oakley sunglasses. And as you can see, they're all scratched up and you can barely see through them. And these are the replacement lenses that I bought from Amazon. As you can see, there are plenty of selections on Amazon to choose from. I didn't want to buy OEM lenses because they are 2/3 of a price of a new pair of glasses, and I didn't want to throw them away, so getting these affordable replacements seemed like the next best thing. Step 1. If you look on the inside of your frame, you can find the name of your frames. In my example, it's the fuel cell. This will help you search for the correct lens replacements. Step 2. Carefully take the glasses and attempt to push the lens out from the inside out. They usually pop out without any issues. You can even wear them without lenses as well. Step 3. While the lenses are out, it's a good opportunity to take a Q-tip and clean out the frames before installing the new lenses. Look at all this dirt that was removed. Next, let's see what comes in the new lens box. We got this cool little bag for your glasses, which is really nice. This tag is just the brand, and this is a polarized test card. Step 4. Take the lenses and gently install them from the front of the glasses. Align one edge first and press firmly on the opposite side until you hear it click in. Do this on both sides. What's cool is these glasses are also polarized and you have the same text on the front of the lens as the originals. Here's a quick test with the test card with the old lens and with the new lens. And now you're all set. Check out this video next.